Hey there, my name's Nadernejad and I fix people's online reputations. If you're looking to fix your online reputation, feel free to contact me. I'm happy to give you some free advice and have a phone call with you. All the information in the description down below. Well, I was talking with a friend the other day and we were talking about the most difficult parts of our industry. What are the hardest things to do? With him, it was sort of a management thing, but in online reputation management, my industry, I realized the biggest thing comes down to this. I struggle with it. My clients struggle with it. Everyone in this industry struggles with it. And it's the hardest thing to really get your head around. And it's the patience. It's all patience, because when we're looking at very negative search results, that's a big part. That right now is generally the biggest factor in online reputation. People do a search, they see bad things. In order to outrank negative results, it can be pretty easy. I can do it in a couple weeks. I can do it in a week. I can do it in 5 days. If the articles aren't very powerful. But if we're looking at, Fox News and you have all these powerful outlets and you don't have a large budget, then there's a bit of a problem. It gets very hard and very difficult to bury these links. And what you have to do is just be persistent, be aggressive with your publishing and keep going. You can't give up. And that's the biggest thing. That's when clients start to lose hope halfway through sometimes. And we have to say, you know what, let's keep going. I promise you that we're going to get to the end of this and that those negative links are going to clear out. That is the hardest thing. That is the hardest thing for people to get their heads around. Because it's scary. I mean, you have this negative presence, you're doing all this work, and for a little while you don't see any results. You see things coming out, but you don't see the links start to drop immediately, and you're thinking, oh, is my reputation going to be bad forever? So it's scary. But the biggest thing in this industry is being patient. Understand that it's a long run. And this is going to get you into, a new frame of mind where you're creating content about your brand, about your business, and becoming more business savvy and learning new lessons. Because if you conquer this adversity, you can conquer anything. And that's what I try to do. That's how I try to mentor my clients. I don't, send the odd email update. I have them all add me on WhatsApp. And then we will communicate with each other that way. I will send them voice messages throughout the day, check in with them, because I know that having a negative online reputation is so much a psychological thing as it is the actual reputation SEO thing. It's technical, but it also messes with your head. You get that sick feeling in your gut. And I had a client describe it that way, and every time I talk about it that way, they all say, yeah, like that's exactly what it feels like having that sick feeling in my gut. Because anytime someone searches me, my date, my employer, there's that negative content. Well, don't worry, you have to be patient, but like all good things, I promise you, once you remove the negative link, you're gonna learn how to have that leverage. And even if you don't remove it, you just bury it, you're going to learn how to build leverage in your life. Trust me. It's going to help. So if you're waiting out there and you are having trouble, send me a message. I'm here just to be a support, even if we don't work together. And comment down below. If this video helped you or informed you at all, be sure to subscribe and smash the notification bell. If I can help you with anything else, please do let me know.